When the stock market crashes, most people panic, sell everything, and lock in huge losses. But the wealthiest investors? They see a fire sale. They know a crash isn't a disaster, it's the single greatest opportunity to build massive wealth. Today, I'm giving you the stock market crash survival guide, 3 simple steps to stop panicking, start buying low, and win big when the market bleeds. Here is your crash action plan. Step 1. Don't touch your emergency fund. This fund is your shield against job loss, not your investment capital. Keep it liquid and separate. Step 2. Automate your buying. You cannot time the bottom. Instead, practice dollar cost averaging. Set up weekly investments into a broad, low-cost index fund like VOO or VTI. When the market drops 10%, 20%, or even 30%, your automated buy is getting you the best prices in years. You are buying low without thinking. Step 3. Hunt for quality. When prices are falling, prioritize companies with huge cash reserves and a dominant market position. Think Apple, Microsoft, or companies that survived the last 5 recessions. They will recover first and rocket past the competition. A crash is a transfer of wealth from the fearful to the prepared. When everyone is running for the exit, you need to be the one walking in and filling your cart. You now have the playbook, ready to build the cash reserve you need for the next crash? I'm showing you the exact high-yield accounts I use to stack dry powder next week. Hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss that crucial setup. Follow the Fund Flow channel and get ready to buy the dip.